Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the device state and acting immediately. Boot into recovery with the correct key combo for your model. You'll land at a screen that says no command. Once there, do not panic. This message usually means the recovery menu is hidden. Press the recovery key sequence, power plus volume up or power plus volume down, to reveal options. Make sure battery is above 50% so the process won't abort. You're now ready to choose the safe next step. Once the recovery menu appears, you'll navigate carefully. Use volume keys to move and power to select. First, choose Wipe Cache Partition to remove temporary files that often cause the no command loop. After wiping cache, select Reboot System to test whether normal boot resumes. If the issue persists, connect to a PC and choose Apply Update from ADB or sideload an official OTA package. This reinstalls recovery components without erasing user data. Make sure you use a correct, compatible update file for your model. You're at the final steps. If sideload or cache wipe didn't help, back up any accessible files using MTP or a custom recovery like TWRP. Once backed up, you can perform a factory reset to resolve deep system corruption, knowing it erases personal data. If you prefer less destructive repair, reflash the stock recovery or full stock ROM using the manufacturer tool, Odin for Samsung, Fastboot for many others. This restores missing recovery files. If flashing fails, check cables, drivers, and use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.